So first of all, I'm going to show you how to do an ombre with the glitter. So we're using the silver one and the blue turquoise one from the new Create range, and also the coloured acrylics to match the colour. So first of all, you need to pick up a clear bead, dab into your required glitter colour and place down first the glitter onto the nail. Make sure you pat the product and you don't drag. Make sure that the glitter goes halfway up to the nail. If you do find there's any gaps, pick up another bead and fill in the gaps. Onto your second colour, same process, clear bead into the glitter. This time you're making sure that the second bead of glitter overlaps onto the first. And slightly drag down the small pieces of glitter to give you that gradual fade. Same again, this time to the cuticle. Finally, all that nail needs to be encapsulated in clear acrylic. So one medium bead to cover the whole nail. It's very important that you do cap the whole nail and all the glitter goes dull. If it's still shining, then it's not capped. And then when you file, you will get little speckles that will change colour because you've took the colour off them. So rotate the nail, make sure there's no shiny particles and it's all capped. And then wait for that to dry, file and top coat.